DMDII is the nation's hub for digital manufacturing and design innovation. We're the place where companies of all sizes meet up with innovators to plot the future of manufacturing. This is where you take things like data and artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things and piece it all together to figure out how we can advance an entire industry.
DMDII is a part of Manufacturing USA, a network of 14 institutes. Our objective is to be able to bring together all the different processes that manufacturers employ into a single digital backbone.
There's a lot of companies around the world that are looking for solutions to manufacturing problems that have actually existed for decades. DMDII is one of these great centers of excellence where companies can come through, they can see the digital thread in action, they can get hands-on with the technology, and really recognize that these are solutions that are delivering results today, not 4 or 5 years out in the future.
There's only so much capability probably inside your own company. So one of the things that we really like is just being able to kind of go through this in a very non-competitive space.
We have been able to collaborate with large companies, which has been a real roadblock to us, to be honest, as being a small company. At DMDII, we've been treated as if we were one of the team.
So what happens when you bring a company like Lockheed Martin alongside a company like Caterpillar, Deere, alongside a Siemens or Microsoft? You see the real opportunity, not just to figure out what problems need to be solved, but then what's the right solution to developing an answer? And then when we can bring those solutions to life on our factory floor, we can actually begin to see what that impact looks like.